This place has everything. Come on, I'll show you.
What we call society or general culture or whatever, be to the extent where these things just disappear and one is reduced to a state of almost elemental being, somewhat similar to the prime example of existentialist living, I suppose. I don't really know.
Every group of people, all levels of society, eventually accused by the press and the public of a community life, a bunch of political life, maniacs, extremely alive, and you have most of all a cultural life, which is unlike any other part of the United States.
My old man was a bread stasher all his life. He never got fat. He wound up with a used car, a 17-inch screen, and arthritis. Tamari is a drag, man. Tamari is a king-size bust.
We know the biggest H-bomb pushers in the world, man. Those are Khrushchev and Ike. These are two bald-headed son of a, pardon the expression, that are on either side of the world. Now, these son of a guns don't want to get one individual high. They want to blow all of us out of here. These are the biggest H-bomb button pushers I know of, man. That's the groove, you know? I mean, like, these cats are bickering back and forth, and sooner or later they're going to blow us all out of here, man. I mean, it's senseless.
As society matures, our individualism is stripped from us. We are becoming numbers. It is no wonder that in the village, no one has a name. Society cannot tolerate the individual.
All of the poems seem to have an anger, an anguish, a despair, a desolation.
Telephone wrapped around my ear, screamed at me, tried to suck out of my mind where I was stuck to my head, and jabbered till I said, the person you have reached is not a working person. He has been changed and is temporarily connected. Please, hang yourself up.
I can't stand my own mind.
My mind is going. I can feel it.
It's one small step for man.
I can feel it.
One giant leap for mankind.
Political freedom is a myth, but psychological freedom, the freedom to think, to exert one's will, is an ongoing lifetime struggle.
America.
We today
America
have concluded an agreement
America
to end the war
America
and bring peace with honor in Vietnam.
America.
I will not be pushed, filed, stamped, indexed, briefed, debriefed, or numbered.
America.
I will not be pushed, filed, stamped, indexed, briefed, debriefed, or numbered.
America.
My life is my own.
I am not a number. I am a free man.
If freedom is a myth, can one ever escape?
You are a true believer. Blessings of the state, blessings of the masses. Thou art a subject of the divine, created in the image of man, by the masses, for the masses. Let us be thankful we have conquered. Buy more now. Buy. And be happy.
I feel much better now. I really do.
Let us be thankful we have an occupation to fill. Work hard. Increase production. Prevent accidents. And be happy.
Quiet, please. I am analyzing.
One cannot ever escape the reality of existential conflict. The prisoner may get out of the village, but the real prison is society. The other side of the debate believes that freedom is a never-ending struggle.
We're going to find that rather difficult.
They cry, put down pots, don't think a lot. Turn on to 1,000 joys. Smile on what happened or check what's going to happen. You'll miss what's happening. Turn your eyes inside and dig the vacuum. Tamara, drag.
I'm trying to come to the point.
I have a dream.
The world is very different now.
That one day on the red hills of Georgia,
Before the dark powers of destruction,
sons of former slaves and the sons of former slave owners,
my fellow Americans,
will they be able to sit down together at the table of brotherhood? I have a dream. I have a dream.
Unleashed, united, there is little we cannot do.
My poor little children
For man holds in his mortal hand
will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream today.
power to abolish all forms of human poverty.
We choose not because they are easy, but because they are hard.
This is Radio Beijing. Please remember June the 3rd, 1989. A most tragic event happened in the Chinese capital, Beijing. Thousands of people, most of them innocent civilians, are killed by fully armed soldiers when they force their way into the city. Among the killed are our colleagues at Radio Beijing.
Oh, the humanity.
That is a voice and sound of our time, dramatically expressing a negative attitude toward the 20th century.